Hello, I hope you're having a good day. My name is Isabella and I am here today to help you with your doubts and fears with the G-Force supplement for teeth and gums. So, watch this video until the end to receive all the necessary information you need before buy this product. To begin with, I would like to let you know that the supplement G-Force is only sold on its official website. Any other websites that offer the product are not reliable, so I strongly suggest that you make your purchase through the official website, which by the way I will leave the link below in the description of this video. Well, after all, what is the G-Force supplement and what is it for? It suits. It is a natural formula supplement designed to detoxify saliva and support gums and teeth healthy. The antioxidants present in G-Force help to detoxify the liver and all body fluids, making your saliva alkaline to fight bacteria that harm you in some way. Bringing together the high quality of natural ingredients used in manufacturing the G-Force supplement the right way to use it, it will be very difficult for you not to have the results you expect. With that in mind, what is the best way to take the G-Force pills? Just take 2 capsules every day with half a glass of water, and you will love the results you will see and how will you feel. So, you say to me, okay Isabella, if I decide start taking the G-Force supplement, what are the side effects can I expect? So I tell you that this supplement does not cause any side effect, due to its formula of ingredients natural. And I have one more important thing to tell you. The G-Force supplement for teeth and gums has 60 days warranty. That is, if you buy and if regret for some reason, you guarantee your money back worry-free. So thank you guys for watching this video until the end, and don't forget that if you want to access the official website of the G-Force supplement, the link will be in description of this video.